If you sell products online or have an online store, you probably know that you have to leverage every channel you can to attract customers. Instagram shopping is another great opportunity to continue engaging with your customers. So, what is Instagram shopping? Instagram shopping allows you to connect products from your online store with your Instagram account so you can sell products from photos or videos you post on Instagram. Instagram shopping is the showcase within Instagram for fans to view and access your products with tags. How amazing is it that you can buy products without even leaving Instagram? Well, this is where they come into play: product labels. It's a piece of cake because they work just like when you want to tag someone in a post. First, upload the video or post, then use labels to search for the product in your store, and ta-da! Your followers can now click on the tag for more information. And what if they want to buy your product? Well, it's as easy as clicking on View on the website to complete the purchase in your online store. In addition, when using Instagram shopping, your products can be viewed in the Shop tab of the Instagram homepage. In this section, users can discover new brands and products that match their interests. Now that you're clear that you have the opportunity to take advantage of Instagram shopping, we're going to leave you some tips to make the most of it. Number 1, consistency wins in Instagram shopping. Similar to the gym, the key to success is consistency. The more impact your potential customer has on you and your products, the easier it is for them to buy your products or fall in love with your brand. To comply with your networks, you need a personal secretary in digital format, a tool that allows you to program, measure, auto-publish, and also label your products. Meet Metricool, the Swiss Army knife for everyone and everything on social media. Number 2, take advantage of all Instagram formats to showcase your products. Utilize stories to get closer to your customers and highlight products. You can upload the latest news or post offers, but beware. Remember to add the product labels or links to your online store to increase conversions. And last but not least, number 3, measure and measure again. Analyze your posts and campaigns to find out what works and what doesn't so you can make smarter decisions. If you need help getting all the data with one click, remember that Metricool can help. So far, today's video encourages Metricoolers to make the leap and use Instagram shopping. If you want a video explaining how to create a store on Instagram step by step, leave us a comment below and we'll get on it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest news and advice on social media. See you next video.